Yes, good morning children, third class children. Let's get busy. What is that? Let's get busy. What is this meaning also no? All members, people and the humans, creatures also busy. That one also life also busy life. Okay. And next one. Here so many members also in your textbook also so many members also busy life no? Yes no? చాలా మంది బిజీ తన జీవితం గడపడానికి బిజీ లైఫ్ హ్యావ్ సీన్ దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో బిజీ లైఫ్ దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ సమ్ ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ రీడ్ దెమ్ poem what here no the baker's busy baking bread the farmer's busy growing the fisherman is catching fish and growing the cow is busy giving milk for butter to and cheese the ice cream man is busy as so many kinds freeze and mother's busy cooking so we know what we'll do well set the table all over serves that's being busy too there everything is ready and pretty now and neat and all the busyness is done so let's sit down and eat see here all members now baking man also know that one also only that person also know all peoples also and creatures ante enti nana pranulu you see like that one also example for example small ant also have no that one busy life why because no that one food also taking them another place going to food also taking that one also busy చీమలు చూడండి చక్కెర వేసి ఏం చేసేవి అది తీసుకొని మెల్లగా మళ్ళీ తన ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళి స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది దట్ వన్ స్టోర్ దేమో ఎస్ నో హియర్ దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో వర్క్ దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో వర్క్ and have daily any one creature also bee also that one also no you see no that one also honey prepare them no yes any person and the humans and creatures also busy life here also some example here also some ice cream man here also and your mother also cooking food no yes no 3 times food them no prepare them no yes no your brother your father also going to the business that one also no yes no work them that one also no ప్రతి మమ్మీ ఏం చేస్తుంది వంట చేస్తుందా లేదా అదొక వర్కే సో హియర్ సో మెనీ మెంబర్స్ నో దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో ఆల్ creatures and humans also busy life that one also yes no and tomorrow all members in the third class children will have this one prepare the poem and next one what here no here also some also what here some also have here new words also have in your textbook also page number 20 that one also I have write down with pencil and all of you okay what is the first one again I will repeat them anybody not writing also again you have write down on okay baker baker and next one what fisherman 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 all members this one also you have write down with pencil and all members third class children okay milk this one also you have read and write that one also you have read and write also what coming also words also coming మీరు అనుకుంటా రాసుకుంటా చదువుతుంటే ఈ పదాలు వచ్చేసేనా see all members you have read and write that one also okay and next one freeze that one also freeze freeze okay freeze next one bread 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 and next one what no cat cat and next one what butter butter next farmer farmer next one rowing rowing you have underlined them no here also what here suitable letter also you identify that one also you have that one you have suitable letter also you put them nana that one letter also you should put them also one word coming okay ఇక్కడ లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా ఈ లెటర్స్ కరెక్ట్ షూటబుల్ పెడితే అక్కడ ఏమైతుంది ఒక వర్డ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చీజ్. చీజ్ CHEESE cheese. Okay, and next one first what no, how let's get busy, how first to prepare them and a poem prepare them, and afterwards you have fill in the blanks also have some, complete the following words also have. See again I will repeat them. BAKER baker, FISHER MAN fisherman, MILK milk, FREEZE freeze, BREAD bread, CATCH cat, BUTTER butter, FARMER farmer, ROWING rowing, CHEESE cheese. This one we have complete them, that one also. And next one what here no, new words also have, yes or no? Here table also have what here, new words by dropping first letter. అంటే ఇక్కడ టీ అని ఉంది కదా, ఈ టీ టేబుల్ అని వచ్చింది, టీ తోటి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది అనదర్ లెటర్ హ్యావ్ రాయడం. ఓకే, దట్ వన్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ రాయడం. First here table also have. Okay, table also have. And what writing here, T again, that one also take, I will write them. Anyone you have T starting letter also, any word also you have write them. I am writing now take. Okay, take I am writing. Now only I am writing what writing, take. And second one, grow also have. Grow అంటే పెరగడం. And what I am writing now? Garden I am writing. GARDEN, garden. I am writing now garden. Next, bread. What I am writing? Bread. Bread writing what I am writing now? Butter writing. BUTTER butter. Okay. And next one, I am writing again here butter writing. What you are writing? Butter writing. Baking writing I am. Baking. Okay. Next one. No. I know. అంటే ఇది తెలుసు. New. KNEW. New. K silent and all of you. This one here also. No. NOW. No. Here also K silent. If you have what pronunciations no? ఎలా పలకాలంటే NOW now no, that one no. What here K silent, that one also. KNOW no, KNEW new. Okay. And next one down. DOWN down. What is I writing? I am writing done. DONE done. I am do that one also, work anyone also have done. నా పని విజయవంతం చేశా, done. I will do that one done. Okay. This one also. Next one, here also match the rhyming words also have. What here? Match the rhyming words also have. This one all numbers have what here no? Table also have. TABLE table. Here see another one letter you have take them. First one you have, first letter you have take them, and new letter new word also have write down. Okay, I am writing take. TABLE table. TAKE take. GROW GARDEN garden. BREAD bread. BUTTER butter. BUTTER butter. BAKEKING baking. KNOW no, KNEW. DOWN down. DONE done. Okay. This one also have read and practice them. One take one paper also have practice them and all of you. Okay. And next one word here no, rhyming words also have. In your poem also rhyming words also have no? Again here some example also here also have. Okay. Match the rhyming words. Okay. Fish, table, cook, wish, freeze, thread, and next one bread, book, table, breeze. Here see all of you. Here match the rhyming words. What here? Match the rhyming words. Also you have correct them. I am writing fish, wish. Fish, wish. Cook, book. Cook, book. Freeze, breeze. They have same pronunciation. Some pronunciations also equal also. That one also spellings also different. Freeze, breeze. Breeze means gali. Freeze means chair. Freeze, breeze. Bread, thread. Thread means what? Daram. Bread means bread. What here? Bannu antaru kada? Yes, that one. Table, cable. Okay. Table ante ఏంటిది? Table balla. Cable ante ఏంటి? Have cable operator. That one also no. Dish wire is that one also. Fish, wish. Cook, book. Freeze, breeze. Bread, thread. Table, cable. Okay. This one also match the following. That one also. Okay. Again I will repeat them. Here fish. F-I-S-H fish. W-I-S-H wish. C-O-O-K cook. B-O-O-K book. F-R-E-E-Z-E freeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E breeze. B-R-E-A-D bread. T-H-R-E-A-D thread. T-A-B-L-E table. C-A-B-L-E cable. Have what here tomorrow? What homework tomorrow? No? This one you have. First learn the poem. Okay. And next one learn అంటే నేర్చుకోవాలి. Poem నేర్చుకోవాలి. Afterwards you have this one also have. Okay. Complete the following words. And next one what? New words. Matching the rhyming words. Okay, Nana. And next one we have prepared them some ice cream sticks also have no. That one we have one box also prepare them. You have in your home also take them and this one gum also and sticks also ice cream sticks also. How to that one you have prepared them in your that one also you have prepared them. And what no gum also some also here also what all ice cream sticks also have. See how to in your box also here see no. Yes, that one you have prepared them. Okay. Again I will read them poem. Okay. The baker's busy baking bread. The farmer's busy growing. The fisherman is catching fish and rowing. The cow busy giving milk for butter to earn cheese. The ice cream man is busy as so many kinds of freeze. And mother's busy cooking, so we know what we'll do. Well set the table all over us, that's being busy too. There everything is ready and pretty now and neat. But all the busyness is done, so let's sit down and eat. Okay, that one also easy also poem also have. You read and that one also have practice them. Okay, tomorrow homework that one also.